Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by inspecting the disc closely to find damage patterns. This tells you whether cleaning or resurfacing is needed. Once done, rinse with lukewarm water and a drop of mild soap to remove oils, wiping from center out. Make sure to use a microfiber cloth and light pressure so you don't add micro scratches. If you see a hairline crack or severe warpage, stop and consider replacement. Otherwise, proceed to targeted scratch repair and polishing to restore readable data. You'll address scratches by polishing because the laser reads through the plastic layer. Smoothing reduces scattering. Start with a non-abrasive plastic polish. Apply a small amount and buff center to edge in steady strokes. If scratches persist, carefully wet sand with 1,500 to 3,000 grit paper, keeping the disc flat and moving evenly. Once the surface looks uniform, rinse and dry, then repeat polishing cycles until reflections are even. Make sure to avoid the label side and never sand across it. You finish by testing the disc in the Gamecube to confirm playability. If it still skips, clean the console laser lens with a Q-tip and 70% plus isopropyl alcohol, gently one direction. If the disc fails in multiple consoles, make a backup image if legal and possible. If you see persistent read errors or structural cracks, replace the disc instead of risking data loss. One troubleshooting tip: if polishing makes no difference, deeper damage to the reflective layer is likely and is not repairable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.